Cornell note-taking.
The basics. This system is a structured note-taking method developed by Walter Park at Cornell University to help students capture information, organize ideas, and improve retention through active recall. Research in cognitive psychology suggests that handwritten notes may improve writing composition skills. However, it may not significantly increase listening comprehension, and it may be hard when students have low linguistic proficiency. In addition, taking notes might be difficult during listening because psychomotor processes can cause misleading details. The good news is that peer-reviewed studies found that students who took notes outperformed students who took no notes, and the encoding function of this note-taking method may facilitate transferring material into long-term memory. You may feel that writing questions is a waste of time, but your eyes will feel less overwhelmed when it is time to prepare for an exam, reducing info stress, which happens when the excess of incoming information impairs memory. First, divide your paper into 3 sections: cues, notes, and summary. During class or reading, write the main information in the notes section. Afterward, use the left column to create questions, keywords, or vocabulary terms. Then cover the notes section and test yourself using the cues. Finally, write a short summary at the bottom in your own words. This helps turn simple note-taking into active studying. In the notes section, record the main information. For example, active recall strengthens memory, spaced repetition improves long-term retention, retrieval practice outperforms rereading. In the cues section, create prompts for review and self-testing. For example, what is active recall? Why is spaced repetition effective? Define retrieval practice. Which study method produces the strongest retention? In the summary section, condense the page into a few key takeaways. For example, active recall and spaced repetition are evidence-based study techniques that improve retention by strengthening memory retrieval over time. Did you know that the main cognitive purpose of taking notes while listening is to improve retention and comprehension? Remember, this system is popular because it turns note-taking from a passive activity into an active study tool, making it useful for high school, college, professional certification exams, and lifelong learning. You can use it to study for citizenship, learning a language, and medical school. There are many methods. It is worth it to try it. You can do it.